This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 74, Building Optimus Prime. In this issue we're continuing the second foot after saying farewell to Ratchet. A veteran Autobot. Oh, sad. It's sad when the good guys die. Ready for action, Optimus and the Action Masters. Or comic strip action from that. Hoist. No memory of Hoist. Here we go. Got Sodron, yeah. More Optimus stuff with the wings. I don't remember the wings. I've never had one with the wings, but different version of Optimus there, more futuristic sort of truck. Jetfire, overhaul. Ironhawk, nope, don't remember any of those. Red Alert, I vaguely remember Red Alert, but maybe not. No, not as that. No, the name sounds familiar, but not as that model. But maybe it's a variation like Optimus was. I don't know. So part 2 of the left foot, we've got the other heel part, which has got a pivot thing that's actually quite easy on this one. Attach that, and then attach that to the foot that we've already got going. So it's the other half of the heel. Easy. Let's clear this out of the way and let's get it built. Okay, so we've got all our parts from this time. 2 different types of screws, 3 different parts, 1 metal chunky great bit, which is the other side of his heel, and the bits that are going to attach it together. So we've got this to go onto there. The smaller side is going onto there, that way round, like that, with the FP screw. Yeah, here's the FP screw going in there. We've got 3 of those, so we'll probably need 1 more in a minute. Going all the way through there. Is that the wrong way round? Yeah, that's not the right way up. I thought that was threading into there rather than just pushing through there. That goes that way round. No, it can't go that way round because that's not where that bit is. Wait. Oh, I do want that bit at the top because the bit underneath is going to be the hollow piece. So yeah, it's got to be in there. It's just that it does thread through the first bit. Because it can't thread through the second bit because it's not coming all the way out of the second bit. Does make sense if you think about it. And yeah, the other one does go through the top of that. So that's that way round. That's being turned around that way. This one goes through that bit with that going on there. That way round. Okay. We'll get there. That in there, like that. Got our double jointed bit on there. That's very floppy. I'm going to tighten that up a bit more. Oh, that's a bit better. And then we need the other screw. Hold this onto there. Whereabouts does that go onto there? Pivot bit. Go onto there then. So yeah, I did have it the right way around. It goes on way out. That's that way. Yeah, there we go. Because that's more like that. I think. It's like that. It is like that, and it is on there. And that's the screw that will hold that in place. Here we go. How easily we forget how things go together. So there we have the two heel pieces on that all together, and giving a nice heavy weight to the bottom of his leg. Give him a bit more stability. So there we go. That is that completed. That's the end of this month's delivery. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I am sitting on next month's delivery already, so I shall be continuing the build with that very soon. And I'll see you for that very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.